What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be changing the battery in a key fob for a Jeep Grand Cherokee. This key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and you're also going to want to grab yourself a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button here, and that'll allow it to slide out. We can just set that to the side. And if we grab our flathead screwdriver and looking where we just pulled that key out of, just above that, there's this little notch right here. If you put that in that notch and then just twist it, so I just put it in that notch and twisted it like that, it'll pop the shell apart a little bit like this. And you can go ahead and pull it apart. Now we can see our battery right here. And if you grab your screwdriver again, it'll kind of help you get under the edge of it like that. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. So we have our plus side down, installed like that. Now we can snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.